Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mazda CX-9 Grand Touring. This has a silver exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Let's go around to the back here. Got the Mazda CX-9 all-wheel drive badging and a power opening and closing trunk. Brand new all-weather mats. And underneath the all-weather mats is the third row seats. Just pull that lever right there and easily pop those up, just so you have a few more passengers. Take a look at our rear seats next. Now we do have the Bose speaker system throughout the vehicle. Rear seats here. Rear climate control. And a look here, that's where the third row seats or your trunk would be. And a quick peek up to the front of the vehicle. These are our driver's side door controls. We have memory seats and driver's seat controls. Driver's seat, steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. And we do have a push button ignition. Mileage currently at 19,412. And you can see our backup camera right here. Navigation system, and radio, climate controls, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.